What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift, and we're back at it again with another banger video. And as you guys can see by the title below, we're going to be doing a little POV drive at nighttime with a wide-body Hellcat. My Dodge Charger RT. I won't be driving a Hellcat, unfortunately. He will. That's SRT Nick. His channel will be in the description below. I will be driving a Dodge Charger RT, 5.7 liter. It says completely stock, nothing done to it. 2019, by the way. But I'm gonna show you guys what this joint sound like. Start it. 6.2 liter V8 supercharged SRT Hellcat. I gotta show you what the RT sound like. I ain't gonna get my plate in it, but y'all can hear it. Let's get it, man. POV drive. It's gonna be a short little POV. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this with the SRT Hellcat featured in them. But let's get to it. I'm gonna follow him. We gotta go to a certain destination, so I'm gonna have the windows down. Let me start this. Let me start my baby up real quick. Guys, by the way, we just hit 6,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys for helping me reach this, accomplishment. Without you guys, I wouldn't be doing YouTube for real. I wouldn't be making content for you guys or actually doing anything to my car. So I just want to give a big thanks, big shout out to all of you guys. For subscribing to me and watching my videos. Really means a lot, man. 6,000 on the road to 10K. We gonna get there soon, though. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna try to turn up for y'all in this video. It's gonna be a short little 10 to 15 minute video. I'm not gonna make it too long because I gotta listen to that new YoungBoy album that just dropped. So, feel me? Shout out to the GOAT. I gotta put this bitch in track. Hold on. Track mode. Oh, sport, not sport. There we go. Track mode. Yeah, what the hell? Somebody just said something. I'm gonna drive in automatic. Hopefully you guys don't hear too much of the wind. It's a little cold though, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. He taking off, bro. Bro, I know y'all hear them pops, bro. Hopefully we can get some highway action, so y'all can really hear the supercharger whine and stuff. This is just the beginning of the video, man. Stay tuned to the end. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. And definitely comment if you have any questions or concerns about either of our cars or my channel in general. Y'all gotta hear it back here though. Hellcat is screaming, bro. I'm gonna try to put the brightness up a little bit on my dash. Hopefully it ain't too bright. That should be good right there. That's perfect. Damn. Y'all can't tell me the RTs don't sound good, bro. By the way, this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT, as I say in every other video. Completely stock, nothing done to it. Just has the resonators and mid mufflers cut off. So it's a straight pipe. The cats are still on. So soon, I'm really thinking about cutting the cats off. I want her to scream. I want her to be louder. I don't think it's loud enough. So I'm thinking about getting headers, cutting the cats off, doing all that for you guys, you know, making good content. So stay tuned. Bro, it's crazy how much he just takes off, bro. How fast he is, bro. Make me want to sell this. Nah, I ain't. Let me chill out, bro. I'm on his ass. I'm on his ass. He's going. He's going. Nah, bro, he was gone. It was raps. I ain't gonna lie, I was keeping up. Y'all thought I was keeping up? I thought I was keeping up, bro. I felt like I was on his ass. Say, now let me stop. This only a 5.7. Let me chill out, bro. But as you guys see, man, we in track mode. I'm trying to get some highway action so y'all can hear the supercharger, bro. Oh. This car literally spins like just driving straight. So much power that thing has. It's literally a monster. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 to this as well, like go through the city and stuff with a Hellcat so you guys can really hear the supercharger, the whine and all that. If you stay in Delaware and you are in Delaware, you already know where we at. OVP car wash type shit. Nah, that is too much power. He had to go to the side, bro. He probably thought he was gonna hit the back end of that car. Bro, the 5.7 is not that bad. I know y'all hear his car popping. I'm gonna also redo this in the daytime too, man. It got dark fast. Stopping at the gas station so y'all can get a better view of this 6.2 liter V8 Hellcat. Probably gotta get gas, not surprised. Literally fills up every day. Know y'all see that thing though? Yeah, big 6.2. Out of gas already. Out of gas. Just filled up probably today. Gotta fill up again. But I'm gonna get back up with y'all when we hit the road. All right, y'all, we back, man. After we filled our tanks up, I ended up filling mine up as well. I got 255 miles. Miles per gallon is at 14.9, which ain't too bad compared to, you know, the other times where I'm at like 12 miles per gallon, 10 miles per gallon. So 14.9 ain't too bad. He's probably at like 8. That Hellcat be eating gas, bro. But as you see, man, we outside. So I'm gonna try to get next to him so you guys can hear the supercharger. I know you guys been waiting on that. but it's been like a 1-lane road, so should be able to get next to him. Yeah, as you see, it's another merge. Damn, bro, this sucks. I'm gonna show y'all a clip. Hopefully you guys can see pretty good. I know it's dark outside. My tent doesn't help out neither. I got 20% windshield tint as of right now. Push that thing. Push the cat. I'm gonna try to get beside him. Hopefully I'll be able to up here. Rev it. All right, YouTube, we back, man. Just got done taking pictures of our cars. We ended up grabbing some Wendy's real quick too.
Turn left onto Chestnut Hill Plaza. Then take a slight right turn. Take a slight right turn onto East Chestnut Hill Road. Take a slight right turn onto Delaware Road.
Cops got somebody, man. Trying to get him to go to the left side, bro, so I can actually hold the camera and get a good angle. Bro, not trying to get to the left. Getting ready to get on the highway, y'all. Let's get it, man. Hopefully y'all can hear his whine. hopefully you guys got to hear everything. His supercharger. It wasn't too much, you know, wind noise in the video, hopefully. But if you guys enjoyed this video, just let me know in the comment section below, or by liking this video. If you're new to this channel, definitely smash that subscribe button. It'll mean a lot, man. We just hit 6,000 subs, so we on the road to 10K, man. Let me know if y'all want a part 2 to this. This is Lower Shift, and we out.